Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these two laundry baskets. One of it is made of rope and it has two handles. The one on the right, it is made of plastic, hard plastic, and it has like some holes, so it is breathable. And it also has this handle and two wheels, so you can take it with you. You don't have to carry it with, and it has a lid on it, which is important in case that you are using it for gym clothes that are more stinky. The one on the left, which is the rope one, it is more easy to fold or to put it away, whereas the one that is the plastic, made of plastic, then you will always have to have this space for that one. The one on the left, it is more decorative as well, and it is very resistant. It holds a lot of clothes, and it is shapeable. I mean, it will give your clothes and all the things that you put inside of it, it will shape it. Which one is best for you? Well, it depends. If you are carrying a lot of clothes and your back hurts, I will recommend the plastic with the wheels on it. If you are using it to just put it on your car just to go to the laundry, then maybe you need one that is not that heavy and you just need the handles. So I will recommend the rope one.